Hello artists! Today we're going to be creating a value scale. Value in art is a range of light to dark, and it's used to make your artwork look realistic, to provide contrast, and it is a very important element of art. To create your value scale, you are going to need a piece of paper, a ruler, a pencil, and possibly an eraser. To begin, let's put our ruler horizontal across our page. And we are going to make a value scale that is 7 inches long. So I'm going to start at the top of my ruler and I'm going to make a line that goes over to 7 inches. I am going to make it also across the bottom of my ruler because we are going to turn this into a rectangle. So you could make a line on both ends of your value scale to turn it into a rectangle. Within our box, we want 7 different sections. So I'm going to use my ruler, and at each inch, I'm going to make a mark. So at 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches, and 6 inches. So now I can put my ruler vertical again, and I'm going to make vertical lines to turn it into little boxes. While we work on our value scale, we have 7 boxes is a good number for a beginner's value scale. As you practice, you could make 9 boxes, 10 boxes, all the way up to 20 boxes. As you get better at using value, you can increase the number of boxes that you have. But for our first value scale, we are going to start with 7. And our front one is going to be our white. Our last box is going to be our black, and we will call them boxes 1 through 7. Values 1 through 7, where 1 will be the lightest and 7 will be the darkest. So let's start in box 7, and we want to shade with our pencil, and your goal is to get it as dark as you possibly can. So right now I'm shading with my pencil vertical, but you can also shade horizontal, you could shade diagonal, get it as dark and as black as you can. Now that my box 7 is complete, I'm ready to move to the one next to it. When I'm shading in my next value, I want it to gradually get lighter on its way down the scale to white. But this box number 6, is going to be almost as dark as the black. So you want to shade in your next box, its neighbor, number 7's neighbor. And as you can see, I've shaded it in, but it's still fairly light compared to number 7. So I'm going to go over it a little bit more. You want this one to be dark, but almost as dark as 7. You still want it to be lighter. Moving on to the next one, and now this box is going to be lighter than the one next to it. And you're going to just complete that process going all the way down your value scale. Each box, as you work your way to the left, should get lighter. now that I've put in my lights, I've decided that my box 2 and 3 are a little too similar, and box 4 is a little bit lighter than 5. So I'm going to go back and darken in 3 and 4 just a tiny bit to make my value scale a little more gradual.